Hi and welcome. My name is Amy Elohim and I am the owner and founder of Restored Identity. Believe it or not, at one point I was sitting right where you are, filled with questions galore and not sure where to turn. You see, what I've created on the market today was not available 5 years ago when I started my journey. It's very easy for a company to sell you a product, but what they don't do is tell you what to expect, how long it's going to take, and even what other supplements that you should be taking along with your cleanse to help make things move along smoothly. And that was the whole inspiration behind Restored Identity. I got sick and tired of paying hundreds upon hundreds of dollars for functional medicine consultations that really didn't leave me with any answers. All they really did was give me a whole list of supplements that didn't even really make sense and just send me on my way. I know it's crazy to think, but at the beginning of my journey, before I even cleansed, I was using a cane to walk most days. I had fibromyalgia, PCOS, anxiety, depression, IBS, severe constipation, a very bad leaky gut, and the list goes on. I had gotten to a place where I was doing everything that my doctors were telling me to do, but yet I was not getting any better. So I just knew deep down that something was wrong. And I was going to do whatever it took to figure out how to restore this body so that I could get back to living the life that God fully intended for me to live. One day when I was at my absolute lowest, a friend of mine had sent me a video about how we could restore our bodies naturally, especially through the biblical lens. So that sent me on a journey. And over the past 4 years, every supplement that you see in our store, in all of our kits, I have done them. I have gone through them. They were created to help restore my body. They were also created for friends and family who were willing to be guinea pigs and try out my supplements to see if we could bring restoration to them as well. If you're ready to take your life back into your own hands and you're ready to make the commitment to bring restoration to your body, that is exactly what we're here for. Whether you have a question about your order or you just need some questions answered, you can always send us an email at contact@restored-identity.com and we will get back to you as soon as possible so that we can get you on your cleansing journey. I made this short little video series so that one, you could see I was once where you are, and it is possible to bring restoration to your body and to get back the life that you ever so desperately want. And two, I'm all about breaking things down Barney style. We've got to get to a point where we stop overcomplicating restoring our bodies. God gave us everything that we need here on this earth to help bring restoration to our bodies if we just listen to His divine wisdom. So whether you're getting ready to jump on your first cleanse or you're just here to see what this is all about, welcome. We are so excited to have you, and we look forward to helping you on your healing journey.